Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Neha, and this being my first video, I really need your love and your support. The beautiful festival of lights, Diwali, is coming up, and if you guys want to get dressed for a Diwali party, then do keep on watching how I've achieved this red and gold makeup look. So guys, I'm starting off with primer and applying it all over my face. This will give a good base to my makeup. Then I took my cream foundation and again applied it all over my face with my finger. Just gently dabbed it all over. Then taking my Real Techniques Beauty Blender, I'm just gonna blend everything into my skin so that it looks very natural and flawless. Now taking the small tip brush, I'm going to make sure that the foundation reaches all the areas near my eyes, nose and my lips. Guys, highlighting is very important as well. You need to highlight the bridge of the nose, the area on the forehead, the area above the lip, on the chin as well as the under eyes. Make sure that below the under eyes you just don't draw a line but make a big triangle. Another important thing along with highlighting is the contouring. So make sure that you start from the top and contour your forehead, the sides of your nose, the area above the lips as well as a little below the lips and also the hollows of your cheeks. And do not forget to make that jawline look very prominent. Now taking the Real Techniques Beauty Blender, I'm going to blend all of the contour and the highlight together and make my skin seem flawless. Another important tip is that do not rub this beauty blender on your skin but make sure that you just lightly dab it on. Before I proceed on to my makeup, I'm going to apply a tinted lip moisturizer on my lips so that they are well hydrated by the end of the makeup. Now taking this concealer, I'm going to go on the areas under my eyes. This is going to help my eyes look more brighter and the skin below my eyes look more lighter. As well as the bridge of the nose, the area between the eyebrows and some little portions that I want to be highlighted. Then taking the Real Techniques Beauty Blender again, I'm going to go all over this, gently dabbing this onto my skin. Now I'm going to set my face, that is set the makeup on my face using this powder. It also will help in adding more coverage and giving that defined look. Once that is done, it's now time for the eyes. So taking the Naked 3 palette, I'm going to go in for the lightest shade which will act as the highlighter and put it under my brows. Then taking the dark brown shade, I'm going to just put it all over my eyelids. Make sure that it's going to cover the whole part of your eyelids and then just blend. Now taking the Inglot palette, I'm going to mix two shades because my eyebrows are a little lighter than black. So the brown and the black will act as the eyebrow fillers. Just gently fill in all the gaps in the brows. Then taking this MAC palette, I'm going to mix two shades and apply them all over my eyelids and then blend it all together. Taking this white shade from Inglot, I will again be putting it under my brows and pulling it down to where my eyeshadow starts and then blending it all well together. With this you can achieve the shimmery gold look with a dark brown base. Instead of using the eyeliner, I'm going to mix the dark brown and the black shades from the same Inglot palette and then apply it like an eyeliner. I'm just going to pull out a little end part like a small wing. Yeah, just like that. Then I will be applying kajal and taking a mix of the maroon and the red, I will be sliding it under my lower lash line to add a hint of red. Then taking the white and the illuminating color, I will be applying it on the inner corners of my eyes. Now it's time for the eyelashes. So taking this volumizing mascara and applying it to my upper and lower lashes. Make sure you apply it from different angles so that it doesn't slump up together. Now I'm going to apply the blush on for a lovely flush of pink on my cheeks. Also, I love my face to look a little more highlighted. So I'm just going to be applying the highlighter to the highest points of my face. And yeah, that's how you get a glowing skin. Now taking this lip liner, I'm going to outline my lips and give it a defined shape just the way I like. And then also I will be filling them in with the same lip liner so that the lipstick and the lip liner go well together. Now taking my lip gloss, I'm going to go all over the liner again and apply it on my lips. Yeah, and that's about it. With this, I come to the end of the red and gold festive makeup tutorial. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Do let me know in the comment section below what kind of videos would you like to see, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button out there. Take care guys, till the next time, see y'all, bye.